new here, my name is Alyssa, and today we are getting all sorts of summer and spring themed here. I am giving you 3 amazing green smoothie recipes that are perfect for the upcoming season. As things are starting to warm up, I'm sure that many of us are starting to crave more cool and refreshing things in the morning, and these recipes are perfect because they are just that. So I have been able to sneak in veggies in every single one of these recipes. They are sweet, they are delicious, and you are going to love them. As always, all of the recipes are linked for you in the description box below, so you can check out those links. Everything is on my blog with the full instructions and ingredient lists. If you are new to our community and have not yet subscribed, make sure to subscribe. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in. So our first green smoothie is our grapefruit margarita green smoothie. Here's a quick overview of the ingredients, and we will start by adding our kale into our blender. Follow that with 2 whole limes that have been peeled, half of a grapefruit that has also been peeled. We'll also add in half of a frozen banana and half a cup of frozen mango. Top this with a couple tablespoons of hemp seed for some protein, as well as some almond milk and some coconut water. And with all of these recipes, feel free to use whatever sort of liquid you want. I'm just using my preferred liquids here. And then throw this blender onto your blender base and blend it all up until it is smooth and creamy. Once it's all smooth and creamy, you can pour it into your glass. And you'll probably see here there are a few chunks, and that is because I didn't peel the grapefruit well enough. So really make sure that you peel that grapefruit so that the white stuff, that pith, is not in your final smoothie. Our second recipe is our green apple pie smoothie. And again, here is an overview of the ingredients we'll be using. And for this recipe, again, we will start with our greens, which is a mixture of kale and spinach. Add that into your blender, and then start with the rest of your fruit and veg. So we've got 1 green apple that is chopped. We're also using a scoop of vanilla vegan protein powder. We've got a tablespoon of flaxseed meal, some cinnamon, and some fresh cucumber. And then the liquid I used is coconut water. I love this combination, but again, you can use any sort of liquid that you'd like. Pop that lid on, and then we are going to blend away until this one is smooth and creamy. And this recipe doesn't use any frozen, as you'll see. So if you want it to be ice cold, you can try with frozen apples and frozen cucumber, or you can just pop this in the fridge and let it cool down a little bit more, or you could add in some ice. Once we have it all blended up, you can pour it into your glass and enjoy right away. And honestly, guys, this one definitely tastes like apple pie. It's so good, super fiber rich, and I love the texture of it. And then our final smoothie recipe is our hidden vegetable smoothie. And again, we're doing a quick overview of the ingredients we'll be using. We'll start again with our greens, which in this case is spinach. But again, with all of these smoothies, just like the liquid, you can use any sort of greens that you like. Then we are also going to be using another scoop of vegan protein powder here. We're also going to use a tablespoon of cashew butter or any sort of nut butter that you like, as well as some fresh chopped zucchini, half a cup of frozen cauliflower, and some fresh pineapple. The liquid again here is coconut water. I love coconut water in my smoothies, but like I said earlier, use whatever liquid you like or have on hand. Pop on that lid, throw it onto the blender, and blend this baby up until it is smooth. This one is definitely my favorite. It tastes amazing, and I promise that you can't taste any of those weird vegetables that we added in. It just adds a really nice texture and a lot of extra fiber. You'll also notice that I'm using mason jars for these recipes. That is because I like to be able to store them in my fridge, and this is the best way to do that, I've found. And there you have it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe video. I can't wait to see your recreations of these smoothies because they are so good, and I know you guys are gonna love them. My favorite is that hidden veggie one. It has such a great amount of fiber in it, but there's also protein, and it's got that sweetness from the pineapple. It is so good. I would also love to know what your favorite green smoothie recipe is, so share with us in the comment box below what your favorite combination of fruit and veg is, and we can all kind of inspire each other and get a bunch more ideas. Of course, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, the full links, and so the whole blog post, the recipes, everything like that is linked for you in the description box below, so you can get those over on my blog. Again, if you haven't subscribed and you would like to join our community, I would love to welcome you into this awesome tribe. I'm here twice a week sharing brand new videos. There's a red button right below this video that says subscribe. That is the easiest way to subscribe. You can also tap that little bell that is right next to the subscribe button, and that will turn on your notifications, make sure that you never miss another video. Other than that, I will see you on Friday in our next brand new video, and I hope you have an awesome rest of your day.